The lily pond. How is this?
We have the shale and the limestone here. So the shale is the fragile rock that you see breaking away, and then the limestone is going to be the harder rock. Yep, and you can see that kind of in these layers here. The parts where you see the big blocks, that's the limestone, and the shale gets washed away by the water. It's called undercutting when that happens. And then eventually you'll see bigger pieces of harder rock fall, and that's the limestone just falling under the weight of itself.
But shale and limestone are sedimentary.
Sedimentary, there, yeah.
But we thought it took millions of years. Here it's within a few thousand years.
Yeah, so the glacier came through about 12,000 years ago and carved this out, but it took millions for the rocks to form themselves.